you. Rhythm is gonna get you.
Okay, Jonas!
Rhythm is gonna get you tonight.
Go, Janan! Sila ang number one. Ito na, totoo na to. Number one sa primetime bida mula sa I Love, Betty La Fea. Little Big Star Champion, Sam Concepcion.
Yeah.
Singer-actor Ronnie Liang. Model-actor CJ Habarata.
Yeah.
Sample. Ano sample ninyo? Ronnie, CJ, Sam.
Okay, what are we supposed to dance?
Hindi, yung kanta natin.
Okay, sample. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hoy, hoy, tandaan nyo,
Ang ganda'y kumukupas, ngunit ang pagkataon ay hindi lumulupas. Gandang paglabas ay hanggang tsalala.
Ayos. Tagal na yun. 3 months po nilang practice yun. Kaya nakita niyo naman ang kagitingan. Sila ang number one sa primetime video. Team Betty Fool. May naman natin. Here's your song. 2008. Paramore. Decode. Wala eh. Na-overwhelm sa boses ng singer natin. Team Betty. Here's your song. Year 2000. A1. Like a Rose.
All I have to do is follow you to lighten up my load, retreat my dying toes.
Okay, team, have a fun na! Thanks for joining, Ronnie, CJ.